Dear friends, have a good day. Here in this video, today we are going to look at measures of central tendency, arithmetic mean, median and mode. First off, what is measures of central tendency? A measure of central tendency is a single number around which the greatest proportion of the data concentrates. It gives an indication of the central tendency of the distribution. In other words, the average value represents the characteristics of a group of numerical data and it lies in between the two extremes of the group of values. Hence, an average is called a measure of central tendency. There are various types of averages. They are arithmetic mean, median, mode, geometric mean and harmonic mean. What is arithmetic mean? Arithmetic mean is defined as the sum of values of item in a series which is divided by the number of values in that series, and it is denoted by the notation x bar. Formula for calculating mean. Mean for individual series. Let x1, x2, x3, etc. xn be n observation, then their average is given by x bar is equal to summation x by n, where small n is the number of observations. Mean for discrete series. Let x1, x2, x3, etc. xn be the variates and f1, f2, f3, etc. fn be their corresponding frequencies, then their mean is given by mean x bar is equal to summation fx by summation f. Mean for continuous series. In continuous series, the arithmetic mean is calculated by applying the following formula. Mean x bar is equal to summation f into mid x divided by summation f, where mid x is the mid value of the class intervals and f is frequency and n is total frequency, that is summation f. Then median. What is median? Median is defined as the middlemost value of a series or a distribution after arranging the data in ascending order. For ungrouped data or individual case, to find the median, what you have to do is arrange the data in ascending order of magnitude, then the middlemost term is called the median. Median is equal to size of n plus 1 by 2th item, where n is equal to the number of observation in a series. For grouped data or discrete case, the value are arranged in ascending order of magnitude. A table is prepared showing the corresponding frequencies and cumulative frequencies. Then the median is calculated by the following formula. Median is equal to size of n plus 1 by 2th item, where capital N is equal to summation f, the total frequency. For continuous series, in this case, the data is given in the form of a frequency table with the class interval, and the following formula is used to calculate the median. Median is equal to L plus n by 2 minus Cf divided by f into C, where L is lower limit of the median class, n is total frequency, f is frequency of the median class, Cf is cumulative frequency preceding to the median class, C is width of the median class. Here the median class is obtained by the size of n by 2th item. Mode. What is mode? Mode is the term which occurs most frequently in a series. Have a look at this example. Find the mode for the following data. Here the data is given as x is 10, 25, 35, 20, 19, 25, 30. Here note that 25 occurs 2 times, remaining terms occurs only 1 time. So here 25 occurs most frequently, that is why the mode of the given series is 25. So the output is mode is equal to 25. To find mean for individual series, do the following. Step 1. Select any column or row and name it as x and then enter the given values one by one. Step 2. Now find mean by using the function equal to mean of data range of x. Have a look at this example. Find the mean for the following data. Here x is given as 600, 650, 700, 750, 800, 850, 900, 950. Here the output is mean is equal to 775. Now we are going to look at how do you find mean with the help of Microsoft Excel. So this is the opening screen of my desktop. First of what you have to do is click the start button to launch Microsoft Excel. Then this screen will open. Here you can find the Microsoft Excel icon. Click the Microsoft Excel icon to launch Excel. Then this screen will open. Now click here. Now you have successfully launched the Excel workbook. Now we are going to enter the data you want to compute the central tendency. Step 1. Select any column and name it as X. And then enter its value one by one. Step 2. Find the mean by using the formula equal to average of data range of X. Here the data range is A2 to A9, so that is why here we have used the formula equal to average of A2 colon A9. To find median for individual series, do the following. Select any column or row and name it as X and then enter the given values one by one. Step 2. Now find median by using the function equal to median of data range of X. Have a look at this example. Find the median for the following data. Here X is given as 10, 35, 20, 19, 25, 30. Here the output is median is equal to 22.5. Step 1. Select any column and name it as X and enter its value one by one. Step 2. Find the median by using the formula equal to median of data range of X. Then it will automatically compute the median of the given individual series. Here the median of the given individual series is 22.5. To find mode for individual series, do the following steps. Step 1. Select any column or row and name it as X and then enter the given values one by one. Step 2. Now find mode by using the function equal to mode of data range of X. Have a look at this example. Find the mode for the following data. Here it has been given that X is 10, 25, 35, 20, 19, 25, 30. The output is median modes equal to 25. Step 1. Select any row and name it as X and then enter its value one by one. Step 2. Find the mode by using the formula equal to mode of data range of X. Thank you.